Buy me a coffin if you want to learn. You're gonna have to come and bring chamber to love. Silence speaks louder than any words I love. The love that goes through the 101. I'll stand defiant until the end. Love loves the power can transcend. Why do you hate me so much? You cry out loud. Why do you hate? I wonder under this cloud. I fear for your heart to be behind those bars, confined in a hell of your own wars. Voices call from the other side, but love refuses to hide. Buy me a coffin if you want silence. You're gonna have to kill me, but you can't murder love. Silence stronger.